Now, see another example. In this example, what is the ratio of the distances travelled by a body falling freely from rest during first, second and third second of its fall? Suppose this is a height, this is the point and this is the ground here, and this height is we can take anything. When the body is falling from here from this height, you have to calculate the distances travelled in the first, second and third second of its fall. So, you know it. For this there is a direct formula we can use, that is here SNth is equal to u plus a by 2. So, here we can write g by 2 into 2n minus 1. So, all the distances, as we know u is equal to 0 and g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So, if you put here n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. By putting all these, you will be getting the distances S1, S2 and S3. If you get their ratios, you will be getting S1 is to S2 is to S3 is equal to 1 is to 3 is to 5. So, you can put these values in this formula and then you can get the distances like S1 and S2 and S3 and take their ratio. So, answer will be here, this is 1 is to 3 is to 5. So, now see next example. In this example, if a velocity varies with time as v is equal to 40, find the distance travelled by the body in the interval of 2 to 4 seconds. Now, see a velocity is given to you 40. So, here first we can write here v is equal to 40. Now, you have to calculate displacement, that means distance. So, here you have to calculate distance. So, obviously, you have to integrate. You know, from the displacement to velocity, velocity to acceleration, we need differential calculus. But if you take the reverse process, acceleration to velocity, velocity to displacement, we have to take integration process. So, we can write dx upon dt is equal to 40 and we can write dx is equal to 40 dt. Now, we have to integrate. So, when we are integrating here, we can take here 0 to x and here we can take 2 to 4. So, we can write here this is x, 0 to x is equal to 4 t square by 2 integration of t dt, here 2 to 4. So, we can write x minus 0 is equal to 4 by 2 we can take here 4 square minus 2 square, it is here 2. So, we can write x is equal to 2 into 16 minus 4, 16 minus 4 that is 12. So, we can write 12 is equal to 24 meter. So, we can calculate distance travelled in this time interval, that is coming to 24 meter.